To add the payment method to your Amazon Associates account, follow these steps. Log into Amazon Associates. Go to the Amazon Associates website and log in with your credentials. Navigate to Payment Settings. On the dashboard, click on the Account Settings option found in the top menu. Under the Payment Information section, select Edit next to your payment method. Choose your payment method. You will be given options such as direct deposit, Amazon gift cards, or checks. For direct deposit, select your country and input your bank account details, including your bank name, account number, and routing number. Enter payment information. Fill in the required details for your chosen method. For direct deposit, provide bank account information and ensure your name matches the account holder's name. For checks, input your mailing address where checks should be sent. For Amazon gift cards, provide your Amazon account email. Save and confirm. After entering your payment details, click Save Changes. Review your information to ensure everything is correct to avoid payment delays. Wait for approval. Amazon may review your payment method, but once approved, you will start receiving commissions using the selected method.